Good morning everyone. Myself Ashit Ranjan, and in today's lecture we will be discussing about hashing. Suppose we want to design a system for storing employee records keyed using phone numbers, and we want queries for them. Let's say insert phone number and corresponding information. In the similar fashion, delete phone numbers and corresponding information to be performed efficiently. So in such a case, we can think of maybe creating an array of phone number and record, or maybe a linked list of phone number and record. But in arrays and linked list, we need to search in a linear fashion, which can be costly in practice. Hence, we come up with a more efficient data structure called hashing. The idea is to use hash function that converts a large number or numbers or any other key into a smaller number and uses the small number as index in a table called the hash table. So first of all, we need to understand what actually is a hash function. A function that converts a given big phone number to a small practical integer value is called a hash function. The mapped integer value is used as an index in the hash table. In simple terms, a hash function maps a big number or string to a smaller integer that can be used as index in a hash table. So I can define the hash function as h of x, which is equal to x mod n. Over here, x represents the key that we want to insert in the hash table, and n represents the size of the hash table. So h of x that we have here, this is known as the hash function. So let me quickly give you an example how to fill up the hash function, how to fill up the hash table using the hash function. Let's say we have a hash table. The size of the hash table is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll just do the indexing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have n equals 7. Okay, so let's say the first key to be inserted is 70. So we will first find out the hash function. That would be h of 70 equals 70 mod 7, and we know this is equal to 0. So h of 70 will move at the index 0. So we will write 70 over here in the hash table. Let's say we have h of 30. So this will be equal to 30 mod 7, and this is equal to 2. So 30 will move at the index 2 in the hash table. Let's say we have the key as 85. So this would become 85 mod 7, that is equal to 1. So 85 will move to the index 1 in the hash table. Now this is simple insertion in the hash table. That means there are no two numbers colliding for the same index. But in some cases it might happen that different keys have the same index, and that's where collision takes place. In our next video, we would be talking about the collision resolving techniques. This is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thank you.